Wake up. I wake up in the morning. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash face. I wash my face. Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Get dressed. I get dressed. Go to school. I go to school. Learn. I learn new things at school. Play. Play with my friends. Eat lunch. I eat lunch. Come home. I come home from school. Do homework. I do my homework. Take a bath. I take a bath. Read a book. I read a book. Go to bed. I go to bed.